admission for learning English. So could you suggest me something about your institute? So first let's have seat and take water. Thank you, ma'am. Yes. So I want to know first that do you have any knowledge of English? Basic knowledge of English.
To all. Good evening. How are you all? Fine, and you? I'm also good. So my name is Sabia. We are going to have role play in which I am playing role as a teacher, English teacher. She is my partner. Her name is Janvi. She plays a role as an inquirer. So let's get started. What would happen in that?
So may I come, ma'am?
Yes, come in.
So I want to take admission for learning English. So could you suggest me something about your institute?
So first let's have seat and take water.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. So I want to know first that do you have any knowledge of English? Basic knowledge of English?
I learned about something about basic means about grammar, but I'm not able to speak English clearly. So I want to speak English clearly.
If I give you some sentences, so would you convert that sentence into Hindi or English too?
So ma'am, I will try, but I don't like to do this.
By this I get to know that in which level are you, that I would provide you that kind of classes. If you solve that particular, so I would start your course in different, means not basic, in intermediate level.
First you can tell me about your institute, means about fees, about students, then I will
as you know about my institute name is International Institute of Foreign Language. So here that I have 3 batches in my institute: basics, intermediate and final. So you can, means if you get enroll yourself, so after that you would get classes of basics. After that you can go with intermediate, where you can frame, where you can learn that how to frame sentences and all. After completing these things, so you can go advanced class here, where you can get to know about knowledge. You can get several types of games like GD, group discussion, debate, role play. Several games I have.
So may I know the duration of taking class in basic?
That course is all about 3 months.
How much time I will take in basic?
It's upon you, ma'am. If you as you mentioned that you don't have knowledge of basics, so it would take only 1.5 months. After completing your basics, so you would take your intermediate class.
I have knowledge about basic, but I am not speaking fluently, so I want to speak fluently.
So first finish your basic. After that in intermediate you can get to know, you can learn that how to frame sentences and how to be fluent. So these all about my process of institute.
Okay.
So and about fees, so I have, if I take fees, we have lifetime membership in which you have to pay one-time payment. It's 6,000, but if you want to pay in installments, so you have to pay 3,500 per each in 2 installments.
I don't want to, I want to pay 6,000 in installments. So can I?
No, I can provide you installment, but installment would be 3,500.
It's very high for me, expensive for me, because it's 7,000 in 3 months.
You can pay one time 6,000, but if you go in another institute where you have to pay 1,000 and 12,000 or 1,200, 1,500 per month. So I would provide you lifetime membership in 6,000.
But they will also provide me as a they told me that they will give me only 9 months. After that I will speak English.
I'm saying that I will.
But you are taking 6,000 for 3 months, so it is.
So ma'am, as I mentioned that I have a lifetime membership. Until you get satisfaction, until you learn English, you can come. It's not about 3 months.
How can I do trust on you? After
there are several students. There are several. You can ask to them. You can get your doubt clear here. If you want, then I want to make you clear about these things.
From your students, how can I ask if they speak live?
First you can get your demo. After that you can complete. You can ask your questions too.
Okay.
Yes. How was the demos?
They are good, they are speaking good, but I am thinking they are speaking like they parroting their sentences. They are speaking like that.
Didn't you ask any question to them?
No, I didn't ask.
How means how can you say that they were
I
parroting?
focused on speaking, so
So you could have asked questions to them, by which you get to know that they were not parroting. But means you, if you have, as I mentioned you in demos, that if you have any query, you can get your query clear from them.
okay.
Because by that you can get to know that they were not parroting. What you have asked, they would have answered you.
So could I means talk to them in personally?
Personally means you can yeah, I can
In front
call
of you means in
yes,
front
yes,
of
I can
you?
call to them. Yes,
Can I call?
yes, yes.
Okay. Yes, it's done. They means it's fine. Means after speaking personally, after talking personally, I think they are good. Means yes. So may I know means in one batch how much student you provide?
Okay, I don't have means I provide means 15, approximate 15 or 12 to 15 students, because I, in my perception, that I want focused in my class, and I want these things.
So 15 students.
Okay, so thank you for watching our video. So please subscribe our channel and like our videos. Thank you for